Today we are going to head back into the Meta Business Suite and I'll show you how to schedule Instagram Reels. Reels has really become such an important part of building Instagram success as people tend to really engage with these short videos. Doom scrollers, I'm looking at you. So let's get to the nitty gritty. So from the home page, you want to hit create reel, then hit add video. I'll just use one of our videos. So let that upload and you can spend the remainder of your time adding captions, changing thumbnails, adding emojis, hashtags, whatever you need. Once that's done, hit next. Now, on the edit section, you can add music and crop your video. Remember, an Instagram reel can only be 90 seconds or less, so trim till the orange timeline turns blue. Next, we get to the share tab, and this is where you will hit schedule. And all you need to do is simply set the date and time. Once the copyright check is done, you are free to hit share. Now, mine is grayed out in the vid because I forgot to trim down my video to 90 seconds. Guys, don't be like me. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you give Meta Business Suite a try. It's a great tool for content creators to manage all their uploads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, have a beautiful day.